Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp voice message volume. To know how to fix WhatsApp voice message volume, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp. Then in this page you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage here like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will go to clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.